Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make green tea matcha pizza with meatballs and some yumminess. I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. That water, that should be lukewarm. Now I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Yan, yumminess. Yan, haluin nyo lang siya. Make sure to mix it all up really good. It has to be dissolved in your warm water, and so it should be activated. And then I'm gonna add 4 eggs. Then beat it really good. And 3 cups of mayonnaise. Yan. And then you have to mix it up really good. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. And then I'm gonna add another tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, yeah, so creamy. Looks so beautiful. And then I'm gonna add 6 cups of organic flour. Total of this is 11 cups. Correct me if I am making a mistake. I-correct niyo po ako kung nagkakamali ako. Kasi mapapanood niyo lahat yan sa video ko all the way to the end. Yan. I-sift nyo lang siya. Then, i-add ko na siya dyan sa mixture. Looks so creamy and yummy. Then 2 cups of flour. And 1/3 cup of organic green tea matcha. Yan. And 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Please let me know kung masyadong mabilis ako. Baka naman nahihilo na kayo. Please let me know if I am doing it way too fast for you. Yan, you see the color? It's so beautiful. Yumminess. Yan, haluin nyo lang siya ng haluin na mabuti. Then another 2 cups of flour. That's already included in my 11 cups. Yan. It's so nice and smooth. Ngayon, pagka medyo siya matatansya nyo yan. Pagka medyo madulas pa siya or basang-basa, you can add a little bit more flour. Dadagdagan nyo lang siya. If it's too wet or too juicy, add a little bit more flour. You're in control of your dough. And it looks so yummy already. It's not even done. Yan. Ngayon, pag natapos mo na siya, lagyan mo siya ng ng flour. Add flour on your kneading board. Ayan. This dough is actually a multi-purpose. Now you have to arrange your dough. Tapos i-roll mo lang yung cheese on the side. And coat your dough. Yan. I added half jar. It depends on you how much sauce do you want. You can use tomato paste as well if you want, but I like my marinara sauce. Now here comes my meatballs. That you can buy that in the store. It's already pre-cooked, so I don't have to cook it. Yeah, and I just don't like those extra grease in there, so I'm trying to remove them with my napkin. Yeah. Then bake it for 10 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add your meatballs. One and a half pound mozzarella cheese. So that's already cooked. Your dough is already cooked. And then organic sweet basil. Then bake for another 10 minutes for 380 degrees, another 380. Then here it comes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Have a great day.